Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sola. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, do share this video. So, Limpopo Premier Dr. Poppy Ramathuba has asked mourners to keep Limpopo star Karishma in their prayers. The 21-year-old, whose real name is Melita Makomaribane, is fighting for her life in hospital after being involved in a very horrific car accident on Friday, the 31st of October 2025. The accident occurred at the intersection of Grobler and Magazine Streets in Polokwane, Limpopo. Karishma rose to fame in Limpopo's music scene with a unique sound that blends traditional rhythm and modern amapiano influences. Her hit single "Chokeslam" became a viral sensation, making her one of the province's most loved performers. Premier Ramathuba, speaking during the funeral service of fellow artist Dr. Nell at Uchabela village in Limpopo, she said Dr. Nell was Karishma's colleague and that she would have loved to be there to bid him farewell. Providing an update on Karishma's condition, she said, I talk to our doctors daily and they update me, but I'm saying we must give the family time, some space rather. They did another operation on Saturday. She has been brutally hurt and she needs your prayers. Ramatuba also urged people to stop spreading false information on social media. That person is in the hands of specialists. Even I, as a premier, if I collapse and get sick, I told people not to take me to a private hospital. Just take me to a public hospital. This thing of you saying she must be taken to a private hospital, that is a business, and they are just making money. Even Minister Dr. Motsoaledi, I'm sure when he's sick, he doesn't go to private hospital. I don't know what you want. I'm not saying they are wrong, but I trust our public hospitals in Limpopo. She also called on people to stop posting hurtful comments while others are fighting for their lives. You know, when you start arguing about someone when they are sick, it's a bad thing. Even Sepedi and Venda languages say that when someone is sick, all they want is a prayer, and that's not what I'm reading on social media. Karishma needs our prayers, but her doctors are working hard to make sure that she comes back here and continues. Now, the premier ended by expressing hope that Dr. Nell will watch over Karishma. He will watch over her and protect her so she can recover and come back and entertain us. Dr. Poppy Ramathuba said, we are definitely sending out speedy recovery messages to Karishma and, of course, to the driver who lost his life. We are sending out our deepest and sincere condolences to his family, his loved ones, and may his soul rest in peace.